Question 7. What is 20 divided by 5 6? I've put a reminder of the dividing fractions YouTube song at the bottom. So if you want to go onto YouTube, remind yourself of that. Just type in dividing fractions, keep, change, flip, and it'll remind you how to do it. There's a bit of a rap song on there. Once you've reminded yourself, we just got to follow the rules. So 20 divided by 5 6. Don't forget you put an invisible 1 underneath any whole number. So you stick your invisible 1 in first and then apply the keep, change, flip rule. So you keep the first fraction as it is, 20 over 1. You swap the divide for a times, change the divide for a times, and then you flip 5 over 6 to become 6 over 5. And the reason why we can do that is because dividing by 5 6 has the same effect as timesing by the upside down version of that, 6/5. Dividing by 5 6 is the same as timesing by 6/5. It's a very simple level. You could think of timesing by a half is when you're finding a half of something is the same as dividing by 2. So if you're finding a half of something, that's the same as dividing by 2. And we all know that example, but remember 2 is 2 over 1. So it's like flipping the 1 over 2 upside down to be 2 over 1. So that's quite a relatable example you can get your head around there. So dividing by 5 6 is same as timesing by 6/5. And then we do top times top, bottom times bottom. So 20 times 6 is 120, and bottom times bottom, 1 times 5 is 5. And we've got an improper fraction. We can't leave improper fractions as improper fractions if they work out exact. So by working out exact, I mean, do we get an exact number when we do 120 divided by 5? Because that's what 120 over 5 means. So let's see. So 5s into 1 won't go, but we haven't used the 1, so carry it. 5s into 12 is 2 remainder 2, and now we're on to 20, and 5s into 20 goes 4. And so we do get an exact answer with no remainder, so the final answer is 24. 20 divided by 5 6 is 24.